All right, for some reason, I lost the clip of the beginning of this video. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and just do a little quick intro. These are the condition of the door panels, what they was looking like before I recreated them. They were destroyed and all cracked in all sorts of places. So it was falling apart really. It was really bad condition. So I went ahead and took a mold of the doors, which you'll see in this video, and recreated the top half of the doors and reinforced the armrests with epoxy resin and fiberglass. So let's just go ahead and start the video. All right, went ahead and laid down some fiberglass cloth, got it all sized up. What I'm gonna do is also do that for the other side and do the first layer of fiberglass cloth and then come back and do the mat, probably about like one layer of mat along with this fiberglass cloth, and that will be it for that. And then let it set up and hopefully pull off a mold today. Pull off a part today and finish getting it set up for the door panel. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled the parts out of the mold off camera, and this is the outcome after I trimmed it up, just on trimming, and got the rough lines. I dry fitted it onto the door panel, and I got the marks where I was going to go ahead and put these bolts in. So what I wind up doing is taking a bolt and super gluing them into place with the door panel on, and finding out the locations of where each stud will be, and then super glued them in. And after that, I built little dams around where I was gonna around the screws to build this epoxy layer up, and this is now encased in epoxy and stuck onto the actual fiberglass panel. So got a little bit more fitments to do to set up the thing so it could fit properly. Also, I have this little brim that I just created with a flat piece of fiberglass. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and then I'm going to wind up fitting it to here, to the edge. I got to still clean up the edge a little bit. I'm going to fit them up, and then I'm going to go ahead and super glue the edge to this panel, and then fiberglass it on after the super glue has adhered to the panel. So yeah, that's the next move. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean up this panel and transfer over to this one. I'm going to do the edge, get everything mocked up where it's supposed to be. This holds the seal for the window, and once this is all mocked up, everything's mocked up, I still got a couple more screws to put in. Next thing after that, I have to go ahead and start with the body work on the panels to get them smooth, since these were broken. I didn't do any body work on the exterior part yet, because I want to get everything lined up where everything belongs before I start to do anything. So yeah, that'll be the next move. And once everything is smoothed out and everything is correct, the next step will be to wrap it and put it onto the door panel, and that'll be it for this. So stay tuned. Let's go.